How to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on Android phone. First, open settings and then just type here apps, and here we'll find it. Click on it. Now just type here WhatsApp and click WhatsApp, and now here we'll find storage. Click clear cache and then go to permissions. Now allow storage and contacts, just allow it. You will find it here on deny. Just click allow, and that's it. Then just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.